press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, so welcome to part 5 of the chapter aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. So in the last class, so we have discussed some the properties of aldehydes and ketones as like nucleophilic addition reactions, condensation reactions, aldol condensation. So in aldol condensation, mixed aldol or cross aldol condensation, simple or self aldol condensation reactions, oxidation reactions, reduction reactions of aldehydes and ketones, then reactions of aldehydes and ketones with Grignard reagents. So ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ. ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ of aldehydes and ketones. So reducing properties of only aldehydes, not ketones. So this is for only an aldehyde. So why aldehydes are reducing agents but not ketones? So only the aldehydes are reducing agents because you know that in oxidation reactions of aldehydes are easily oxidized, but ketones are not easily oxidized. The reducing agents which undergoes oxidation is clear. So reducing agents are oxidized. Aldehydes are easily oxidized. So therefore aldehydes are good reducing agents. Aldehydes are good reducing agents. So what are the reducing properties of aldehydes? So first property is with Tollens reagent. With Tollens reagent. So Tollens reagent is ammoniacal silver nitrate solution. Ammoniacal silver nitrate solution. Silver nitrate solution is called Tollens reagent. So this Tollens reagent which contains the silver is in the complex AgNH3 twice plus diamine silver 1 complex ion, or silver it is in the form of Ag2O, dissolved silver oxide. So when silver nitrate reacts with ammonium hydroxide, silver nitrate reacts with ammonium hydroxide to form diamine silver 1 hydroxide. Or the silver nitrate reacts with ammonium hydroxide. Not really ಎರಡು ತರ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Silver nitrate which reacts with ammonium hydroxide to form AgNH3 twice plus OH minus. This is the diamine silver 1 hydroxide. Or silver nitrate which reacts with ammonium hydroxide to form AgOH. The silver hydroxide is unstable, so immediately it is converted into Ag2O. So 2 moles ಏನಿದೆ AgOH, so immediately it loses a molecule of water, giving silver oxide. So that is why the Tollens reagent which contains the silver is in the form of complex ion, diamine silver complex, or it is also in the form of silver oxide. So therefore Tollens reagent, so aldehydes which reduces this tolerance reagent. Aldehydes reduces tolerance reagent. Aldehyde which reduces the tolerance reagent. Tolerance reagent contains so diamine silver iron complex ion. So in the presence of a base to form. So aldehydes reduces the tolerance reagent. In this complex, silver is in the form of Ag plus. So this is the cationic complex, Ag plus ion. So which is reduced by an aldehyde to form the silver salt, carboxylates. And at the same time, so in this complex Ag, silver is in the form of Ag plus, that is reduced by an aldehyde to form so black PPT or bright mirror of silver. So silver mirror, bright mirror of silver or black PPT of silver is obtained. So look here, silver in this complex ion is exists in the form of Ag plus. Silver ion is reduced by an aldehyde in the presence of basic medium to form a black PPT of silver. And along with the formation of NH3 and H2. NH3 and H2O. So in this case, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ OH minus ion 3, ಇಲ್ಲಿ net charge is -1. Suppose in this case 2Az, so Az plus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲೇ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ನೆಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 3OH minus ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. So in this case, totally we get four oxygen atoms, 3 plus 1, 4. Clear? So 4 and 2 is 2s2o. Number of hydrogen atoms, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. 13 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸವಾಗ 1 ಬೋರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2Az ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ 2Az ammonia 2 into 2, 4 NH3. So number of hydrogen atoms 4 into 3, 12. So here 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12. So here 3 again, 3OH minus. So 2s2 same 2s2. ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗಿಲ್ಲಿ aldehydes they are converted into carboxylate ions. Aldehydes are converted into carboxylate ions. ಈ carboxylate ions ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ, these carboxylate ions are formed from what? They are formed from carboxylate ions are formed from ಯಾವ ions ಇಂದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಲ್ಲೇ. Ag plus that is changed to Az ಅಂದ್ರೆ this Az plus 2 to Az, it undergoes reduction. This is reduced by aldehyde. Hence aldehyde is a reducing agent. So aldehydes which reduces the tolerance reagent on warming. So just ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಏನು Ag ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಅದರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ RCHO aldehyde. So this aldehyde which reduces Ag2O. In Ag2O, what is the oxidation state of silver? +1. So it is reduced to RCOOH. Look here, RCOOH plus 2Az. So here also we get black PPT of silver or bright mirror of silver. Clear? So aldehydes are good reducing agents. Notice which one of the following property that represents the reducing property of an aldehyde with tolerance reagent. aldehydes reduces tolerance reagent on warming, gives the respect to carboxylic acid. So, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ carboxylate ion form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Carboxylate ion form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗಲೇ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲೇಟ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲೇಟ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲೇಟ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲೇಟ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಬೇರಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, if it is reduced by reduced by an aldehyde, we get the corresponding carboxylic acid. So overall conclusion is aldehyde is a reducing agent, so which reduces tolerance reagent to form black pipette of silver or bright mirror of silver. That property is called silver mirror test. That test is called silver mirror test. Properties reducing property. Clear? Next, another one is with failing solution. With failing solution, second property, aldehydes reduces failing solution on heating. So aldehydes which reduces failing solution containing cupric ion Cu plus 2 in the presence of a base, it is converted into or COO minus and Cu2O. So Cu2O, this is the red precipitate of cuprous oxide. So along with the formation of water. Clear? So aldehydes which reduces the failing solution. So this is the failings solution. So failing solution, it is a blue colored solution obtained by mixing copper sulfate solution. ನೋಡಿ ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಿ ಎರಡನ್ನ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಪರ್ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್, ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಚಿಲೆ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ and NaOH. This is the failing solution B, failing solution A. So ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಜನರಲ್ ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. That is a blue colored solution obtained by mixing copper sulfate, sodium hydroxide and Rachley salt. Rachley salt means sodium potassium tartrate. Sodium potassium tartrate. So it make the stable ion. So the stable ion ಅನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು aldehydes, so which reduces the failing solution on heating, we get red pipette of cuprous oxide. So in this reaction, copper is in +2 state, in cuprous oxide copper is in +1 state. So +2 to +1 decrease in the oxidation number is nothing but reduction. So that is reduced by an aldehyde. Clear? Note. Then these are the two reducing properties of aldehydes. So which one of the following compound is a reducing agent? Aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, amines kodta. Alle aldehydes are reducing agents. Clear? Next, another property is acetal formation reactions. Acetal formation reaction. Acetal formation reaction. Acetal formation reaction. Acetal formation. When aldehydes on heating with alcohols, so this is an aldehyde or CHO, aldehydes on heating with alcohols or -OH in the presence of dry HCl gas, in the presence of dry hydrogen fluoride gas, to form CH, so OR-OH. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಕೋಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಓ ಎಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲೇ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹೆಮಿ ಅಸಿಟಾಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹೆಮಿ ಅಸಿಟಾಲ್. Further, it reacts with another molecule of alcohol. So here also this OH and H eliminated as water to give. So R CH OR dash again OR dash. This is jum dialkoxy compound. This jum dialkoxy compound is called acetal. Which one of so the product formed when aldehyde reacts with alcohols, they are acetals. Acetals are the jum dialkoxy compounds formed by the reaction between aldehydes and alcohols. When an aldehyde reacts with alcohol in the presence of dry hydrogen fluid vapors to form monoalkoxy alcohol, this monoalkoxy alcohol is called hemiacetal. Further, it reacts with another molecule of alcohol giving jum dialkoxy compound. Jum dialkoxy compound. So these jum dialkoxy compounds are called acetals. So what is meant by acetal formation reaction? Acetal formation text acetal and text jum dialkoxy compound. Clear? Then ketones are COR, which reacts with HOCH2 again HOCH2. This is ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. Again, on heating in the presence of HCl vapors, HCl gas. So this O and H eliminated as water to form ethylene glycol ketones. So OCH2, here also OCH2 plus H2. So this is called ethylene glycol ketone. Ethylene glycol ketone. So this acetal ketones. So both are in general acetal formation. Acetal aldehyde with alcohols, ketones. So here are ketone with alcohols. So ketone with alcohols. So these are both. These the acetals are jum dialkoxy compounds. Jum or geminal dialkoxy compound. This is alkoxide group. This is also an alkoxide group, just like. But ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈಹೈಡ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇಥಿಲೀನ್ ಗ್ಲೈಕಾಲ್ ಕೀಟಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ aldehydes and ketones with alcohols. Ketones with dihydric alcohol, aldehyde with monohydric alcohol. Clear? So hagadre acetals are the products formed by the reaction between aldehydes and alcohols. Next, last property, iodoform reaction, in general haloform reaction. This is also very important. Haloform reaction. Haloform reaction. So haloform is CHX3. Haloform. So how is haloform formed? So which type of compounds which can form haloform? So which gives a positive test for haloform reactions. So now particular ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು iodoform reaction. Iodoform reaction. So in general, so general reaction is so this type of reactions shown by the compounds containing terminal methyl group, terminal methyl ketones. So this reaction is shown by, reaction is shown by the compounds, containing COCH3 group or CH3CHOH group, or it may be an ethyl alcohol, CH3CHOH. Compound containing terminal methyl ketone, it gives a positive test for iodoform, in general haloform reaction. Or the compound containing this kind of group, or the compound may be ethanol. So in this reaction, compounds containing terminal methyl ketones on warming with iodine and NaOH. So this is the compound RCOCH3 on treatment with iodine and NaOH to form RCOONA plus CHI3 and along with NaOH. So CHI, this is the important compound. This is called iodoform reaction. This is the yellow PPT. So yellow precipitate of iodoform is obtained when carbonyl compound containing a terminal methyl ketones or terminal COCH3 group on warming with iodine and NaOH, or in other words, this combination gives NaOI, sodium hypoiodide. Or if we write the reaction like this in general, RCOCH3 on treatment with NaOX to form RCOONA plus haloform. So haloform is CHX3 along with NaOH. So this is the general reaction. Combination of, in general, NaOX, this is formed by the reaction between NaOH and halogen. Combination of sodium hydroxide and halogen gives sodium hypohalite. So, or instead of this one, terminal methyl ketones on warming with NaOH and halogens. Is clear? So, in general, the carbonyl compound containing terminal COCH3, or the compound which containing this type of group, or it may be an ethanol on warming with iodine and NaOH, or in general halogen and NaOH to form haloform. So this reaction is called haloform reaction. Haloform reaction is answered by compound containing COCH3 group or CH3CHOH, or it may be ethanol. So ನೋಡಿ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರೆ, first one, suppose if you take the ethanol CH3CH2OH, this is ethanol on treatment with iodine and NaOH. So first it reacts with iodine. So all the three. So here two hydrogen atoms, 1H and I2. So this results in the formation of CH3CHO plus 2HI. Note, this is the compound which contains this kind of group, CH3C double bond OH. This kind of group is present in this compound. Hence this acetaldehyde CH3CHO, again it reacts with iodine to form. So reagents are iodine and NaOH. So all the three hydrogen atoms are replaced by 3 iodine to form Ci3CHO. This is triiodoacetaldehyde. 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 3 iodine. Sorry, Ci3CHO. 3 moles of C. Note 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced with 3 iodine CI3CHO along with 3HI. 3HI. Then this compound triiodostaldehyd, so which reacts with NaOH plus CI3CHO to give. In this case, we get CHI3 and HCOONA. HCOONA plus CHI3. So CHI3 it is iodoform. Now ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ ಅಂಡ್ NaOH ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, NaOH ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. So general reaction is RCOCS3. This is the compound containing COCS3 group which reacts with NaOH and X2. That can also be written as NaOX. So this is formed from NaOH and X2. In this combination NaOX and HX to form RCOONA. So in this reaction we get sodium salt of the carboxylic acid and along with the formation of CHX3 and in this reaction we get NaOH. So here it requires X3 irodrinda 3 NaOX, so 2 NaOH is formed. Clear? Idu general reaction. Sodium hypohalite NaOX ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಒಂದೇ, halogen and NaOH ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ. Combination of NaOH and halogen that produces sodium hypohalite. Clear? So this is about haloform reaction. Haloform reaction is answered by compound containing terminal methyl ketone COCS3 group or this kind of group, or it may be ethanol. Any compound containing COCS3 group is answered, so it gives a positive test for hydroform reaction. So these are the properties of aldehydes and ketones. So what are the properties of benzaldehyde, aromatic aldehyde? ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಡಲ್ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್, ಕೆನಿಜರಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್, ಅಸ್ಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್, ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಫಾರ್ಮ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್. ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್ ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆನ್ಸಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆನ್ಸಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್. ಈ ಬೆನ್ಸಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ ಬೆನ್ಸಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಗೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. Benzaldehyde also undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction, condensation reaction, oxidation reaction, reduction reaction. It reacts with PCl5 and SOCl2. It undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. It undergoes Claisen condensation, benzoin condensation, Kenny-Jaros reaction because it does not containing alpha hydrogen. Clear? Nodi. Properties of benzaldehyde. Properties of benzaldehyde. C6H5CH1. So benzaldehyde. So le clear nodkonbitrle benzaldehyde C6H5CH1. When it is treated with hydrogen cyanide, the general property is aldehydes and ketones, they undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction. Is clear? ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ C double bond OH there. This Cn minus, it attacks to carbon to form C6H5 CH. ನೋಡಿ cyanide group attached to carbon carbon, so Cn, so OH. This is called benzaldehyde, benzaldehyde cyanohydrin, benzaldehyde cyanohydrin. Benzaldehyde reacts with hydrogen cyanide. It is a nucleophilic addition reaction. Cn minus attached to carbonyl group to form benzaldehyde cyanohydrin. So when it reacts with sodium bisulfite NaHSO3, so which contains Ah plus and SO3 Na minus. So ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ nucleophilic addition reaction ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. To form C6H5, ನೋಡಿ, this is a nucleophile which attached to this carbonyl group to form, so CH as it is, so OH as it is, instead of Cn, SO3Na. So this is the white precipitate of benzaldehyde sodium bisulfite. So this is benzaldehyde sodium bisulfite, benzaldehyde sodium bisulfite. Clear? Then, so when benzaldehyde, it reacts with phosphorus pentachloride. So in this case, 1O and PCl3, POCl3, two chlorine atoms are directly attached to carbon atom to form C6H5CHCl2. This is benzol chloride. So reaction occurs like this. So this is benzol chloride. Benzol chloride. Reaction ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ C6H5CHO ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, POCl3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So common element by product is POCl3, benzol chloride. So benzol chloride plus POCl3, it is the common eliminated byproduct. So when it reacts with thionyl chloride, SOCl2, so here the byproduct is phosphorus oxychloride, but in this case, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, SO plus 1O, SO2, chlorine atoms are attached to this carbon to form the same compound C6H5CHCl2 plus SO2. This is also same compound, benzol chloride. So in benzaldehyde, it is oxidized by using K2Cr2O7 in acid medium. So benzaldehyde is oxidized to benzoic acid, C6H5COOH. Benzaldehyde is oxidized to benzoic acid. Similarly, so when benzaldehyde, it is reduced. Notice, so benzaldehyde, it is reduced by hydriodic acid. So it is reduced by hydriodic acid in red phosphorus. It is a strong reducing agent. This CHO is converted into the corresponding hydrocarbon group. So to form C6H5CH3. So this is toluene. So benzaldehyde group, CO group, that is reduced to CS, the hydrocarbon group. It is just like Clemmensen reduction reaction, Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction, and also the aldehyde is converted into CS2 group by using hydriodic acid and red phosphorus. It is the strongest reducing agent. Notice, so which one of the following reagent that is used to convert CO to CS2? CO, carbonyl group to CS2 group. So this carbonyl group that is converted into CH2 group. There are three reagents are used. One is zinc amalgam carbonate hydrochloric acid, ZnHG in HCl, one. Another one is it is subjected to Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction by treating with hydrazine to form hydrazone. Hydrozones on heating with ethylene glycol in KOH, CO group is reduced to CS2. Or by using hydriodic acid in red phosphorus. In this case also, CO group is converted into CS2. Clear? So benzaldehyde with hydrogen cyanide, it is nucleophilic addition reaction. Benzaldehyde with sodium bisulfite also nucleophilic addition reaction. Benzaldehyde with PCl5 to form benzyl chloride. Benzaldehyde with thionyl chloride to form again benzyl chloride. Benzaldehyde, it is subjected to oxidation by using acidified potassium dichromate solution to form benzoic acid. Then benzaldehyde, it is subjected to reduction by using hydriodic acid and red phosphorus to form toluene. Clear? Then another reaction. So what are the another properties of aldehydes? Again, aldehydes on treatment with, so benzaldehyde on treatment with C6H5, C6H5CHO, benzaldehyde is treated with a strong solution of sodium hydroxide to form C6H5CS2OH and C6H5COONA. So this reaction is called Cannizzaro reaction. So Cannizzaro reaction. Benzaldehyde is treated with a strong solution of sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. One molecule of aldehyde is oxidized to form the corresponding salt, and one mole of aldehyde is reduced to form alcohol. Then benzaldehyde C6H5CHO, C6H5CHO, when it is treated with acetic anhydride, so H2C CO COCS, this is called, so here H2CH, CH3CO, CS3CO twice O, this is acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride in the presence of fused sodium acetate, fused sodium acetate. In this reaction, this O and H2 eliminated as water. This eliminated water again involved in this reaction. So in this case, OH and H. Nodili observe madre, benzaldehyde is treated with acetic anhydride in the presence of fused sodium acetate. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವಾಟರ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ C6H5CH ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ನೋಡಿಲಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, C6H5CH ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ CH single bond COOH, double bond CH COOH. This is called cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acid. And along with the formation of acetic acid, acetic acid element CH3COOH byproduct. So this reaction is called Perkins condensation reaction. Perkins condensation reaction. Perkins condensation reaction. So when benzaldehyde, so clear, the benzaldehyde is treated with acetic anhydride in the presence of fused sodium acetate to form cinnamic acid. In the same way, benzaldehyde C6H5CHO, it is treated with acetaldehyde. So H2CH CHO in the presence of sodium hydroxide solution. Benzaldehyde is treated with acetaldehyde in the presence of sodium hydroxide solution. So O and H2 eliminated as water to form C6H5. So look here, C6H5CH double bond CH. So C6H5CH double bond CH CHO. So here water is eliminated. This reaction is called Claisen condensation reaction. Claisen condensation reaction, Claisen condensation reaction. So in Claisen condensation reaction, ನೋಡಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ. In case of Kennesaro's reaction, benzaldehyde is converted into benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. In case of Perkins condensation reaction, benzaldehyde is converted into alpha beta unsaturated acid. So in case of Claisen condensation reaction, so we get alpha beta. So this is a cinnamic acid, this is cinnamaldehyde, this is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. In which of the following reaction unsaturated aldehyde is obtained? In case of cinnamaldehyde, so in case of Claisen condensation reaction, and the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, that is also observed in case of aldol condensation reaction, croton aldehyde ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ. So if acetaldehyde undergoes self aldol condensation reaction, we get croton aldehyde. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ C6H5 ಬದಲಾಗಿ CS3 ಇದ್ರೆ that is croton aldehyde. Clear? Note, these are the three named reactions. So this is Kennesaro's reaction, this is Perkins condensation reaction, this is Claisen condensation reaction. So then another one is third one is benzoin condensation reaction. Benzaldehyde C6H5 C double bond OH, it reacts with another molecule of benzaldehyde. This is on refluxing with alcoholic solution of potassium cyanide. So benzaldehyde is refluxed with alcoholic solution of potassium cyanide. So here also the reaction occurs like this. C6H5 CHOH, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ along with bonding electron ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಇದು CHOH ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Then a new bond is formed between two carbonyl groups, between two benzaldehyde molecule. So single bond CO. So here CO C6H5. This is called ketone. Ketonic group with one alcoholic group. This product is called benzoin. Therefore, this reaction is called benzoin condensation reaction. Benzoin condensation reaction. Clear? So aldehydes like benzaldehyde on reflux with alcoholic potassium cyanide solution. So the self condensation reaction takes place between the benzaldehyde molecules to give the product which contains ketonic and alcoholic group known as ketol. This product is called benzoin. Hence the reaction is called benzoin condensation reaction. Clear? ನೋಡಿ, ಇವು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಕೂಡ named reactions. Kennesaro's reaction, Perkins condensation reaction, Claisen condensation reaction, and benzoin condensation reaction. So in Kennesaro's reaction, benzaldehyde is converted into benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. In Perkins condensation reaction, we get cinnamic acid, alpha beta unsaturated acid. In Claisen condensation reaction, cinnamaldehyde is obtained, that is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. In case of benzoin condensation reaction, ketol is obtained, that is benzoin. So these are very important reactions. Clear? Next, electrophilic substitution reactions of benzaldehyde. Electrophilic substitution reactions of benzaldehyde. So what are the electrophilic substitution reactions of benzaldehyde. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions of benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. So look here, this is an aromatic aldehyde. Benzaldehyde is aromatic aldehyde. So this aromatic aldehyde, CHO group is attached to benzene ring. This group is electron withdrawing group. CHO group is electron withdrawing group. So look here, this is benzaldehyde. C double bond OH. So bonding electrons comes over here. So to form double bond C, O minus H as it is. So here positive charge. This is positive charge. Again, these electrons comes over here. This positive charge shifted to para position. Here para position. Again, electrons shift ಆದರೆ it also acquires positive charge on the ortho position. So due to the presence of the electron withdrawing group, so electron withdrawing groups decreases electron density at ortho and para positions. In benzaldehyde, aldehyde group is electron withdrawing group that decreases electron density at ortho positions and para positions. So therefore, the electrophiles, in case of electrophilic substitution reactions, electrophiles, say E plus, they are preferably attached to meta position. Why? So because ortho and para positions are electron deficient centers, electrophilic centers, but electrophiles which attach to nucleophilic center. So when compared to ortho and para positions, meta position is electron rich. Hence, benzaldehyde gives meta derivatives. It is a meta directing group. So when benzaldehyde is treated with chlorine in the presence of ferric chloride as catalyst to form metachlorobenzaldehyde. So CH as it is Cl. This is metachlorobenzaldehyde. So when it is treated with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, so it undergoes nitration. So here the active reagent is Cl plus. So it attacks to meta position. So because meta position is electron rich, so in this case NO2 plus is active reagent. It is an electrophile. This electrophile attacks to meta position to form meta nitrobenzaldehyde. So CHO, here NO2. This is meta nitrobenzaldehyde. Similarly, so when benzaldehyde is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid to form, it undergoes sulfonation to form, in this case, the active reagent is SO3. It is a neutral electrophile, so which attacks to the meta position because meta position is electron rich to form so meta benzaldehyde sulfonic acid. Clear? So these are the electrophilic substitution reactions of benzaldehyde. So in benzaldehyde, CH group is electron withdrawing groups, all electron withdrawing groups the exact negative inductive effect, and all electron withdrawing groups are meta-directing groups, and all electron withdrawing groups that decrease the electron density at ortho and para positions. Therefore, electrophiles are preferably attached to meta positions. Electrophiles are preferably attached to meta position. Why? So because ortho and para positions are electron deficient centers. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫೈಲ್ ಆರ್ಥೋ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ಟು ಮೆಟಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಸೊ therefore we get meta derivatives. Then another one is benzaldehyde reacts with aniline. Benzaldehyde which reacts with aniline to form a CIPS base. So benzaldehyde C6H5CHO. Benzaldehyde reacts with aniline. So reaction with aniline, reaction of benzaldehyde C6H5CHO with aniline C6H5NH. So it reacts with aniline to form benzol aniline. This O and H2 eliminated as water. We get C6H5CH double bond N C6H5. This is called benzol aniline, or it is also called CIPS base. This is also called CIPS base. So when benzaldehyde is treated with aniline to form CIPS base. So these are all the important properties of benzaldehyde. Similarly, when benzaldehyde which reacts with a Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent C6H5 MgBr. So this is phenyl magnesium bromide. So which reacts with benzaldehyde C6H5CHO. So this is nucleophilic in character. It attacks to carbon. So Grignard reagent reacts with formaldehyde, always gives primary alcohol, but Grignard reagent reacts with aldehyde other than formaldehyde. It always gives secondary alcohols. So at the same time, so the oxygen atom gets the bonding electrons to form C6H5CH, C6H5CH, again C6H5. So here OMgBr. It is subjected to hydrolysis in the presence of an acid medium. The bond breaks occurs like this, here H, OH, to form the product C6H5CH, C6H5OH. So this is 2-degree alcohol. So Grignard reagent reacts with an aldehyde other than formaldehyde. Reacts with aldehyde other than formaldehyde, gives secondary alcohols. So these are all the properties of carbonyl compounds. ನೋಡಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಲಿ. ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಲೀರಿ. ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ತಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು aldehydes and ketones. Next to carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. So what are carboxylic acids? Carboxylic acids. So what are carboxylic acids? These are the organic compounds. Organic compounds containing carboxyl functional group. These are the organic compounds containing carboxyl functional group. COOH functional group. So containing COOH functional group. The organic compounds containing COOH functional group, they are called carboxylic acids. So organic compounds containing one COOH group, so if the carboxylic acids, so which contain one COOH group, these are called monocarboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids containing one COOH group are called monocarboxylic acids. So example, acetic acid, CS3COH, and any other fatty acids. So lauric acid, myristic, palmitic, stearic acid, long chain monocarboxylic acid obtained from fats. Long chain monocarboxylic acids derived from fats are called fatty acids. Is clear? So they contain one COOH group. So these are represented by the general formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH. CnH2n plus 1 COOH. CnH2n plus 1 COOH. Clear? So this is the formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH. So this is the general formula for representing monocarboxylic acids. So what are monocarboxylic acids? Carboxylic acids containing one COOH. So if the carboxylic acids containing two COOH groups, so which contains two COOH groups, these are called dicarboxylic acids. So example is COOH bond COOH. This is oxalic acid. Carboxylic acids containing two COOH groups. They are called dicarboxylic acids. Example is oxalic acid. Similarly, carboxylic acids containing three COOH groups. These are called tricarboxylic acids. So example is citric acid. So CH2 COOH bond COOH bond COOH CH2 COOH. This is citric acid. So this is about classification of carboxylic acids. So based on the number of carboxylic acid groups present in a molecule of carboxylic acid, they are classified into monocarboxylic acids, dicarboxylic acids, and tricarboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids containing one COOH group, carboxylic acids containing two COOH groups, and carboxylic acids containing three COOH groups. Clear? So what are carboxylic acids? They are the organic compounds containing carboxyl functional group. So this is called This COH group is called carboxyl. Carboxyl functional group. Organic compounds containing carboxyl functional groups are called carboxylic acids. Clear? So this is about the classification and definition of carboxylic acids. Then, so what are the general methods of preparation of carboxylic acids? General methods of preparation of carboxylic acids. So what are the general methods of preparation of carboxylic acids? General methods. General methods of preparation of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. So first method, from Grignard reagents. From Grignard reagent. Carboxylic acids are formed from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is RMGX, which reacts with dry ice, or solid carbon dioxide. So this is nucleophilic in character. The organic group of Grignard reagent is nucleophilic in character. It attacks to carbon atom of dry ice to form an addition compound or COOMGX. This is an addition compound. Then it is subjected to hydrolysis in the presence of an acid medium. Bond breaks occurs like this. So here H and OH to form RCOOH, carboxylic acid, or COOH, carboxylic acid. Clear? So, and along with MgOHX, so this is the carboxylic acid obtained from Grignard reagent with dry ice or solid carbon dioxide. So any Grignard reagent, whether it may be either alkyl magnesium halides or aryl magnesium halides or alkyl magnesium halides. So Grignard reagents reacts with solid dry carbon dioxide or dry ice to form an addition compound. It is subjected to hydrolysis to form the respective carboxylic acids. So this is one method. Second method, from trihalogen derivatives. Trihalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. Trihalogen derivatives. Or CXXX. Trihalogen derivative of hydrocarbons on heating with aqueous KOH. It requires 3 moles of KOH. So all the 3 halogen atoms takes up 3 potassium R interacts with 3 potassium ions to form 3KX, and all the 3 halogen atoms are replaced by 3 OH groups to form an unstable compound. So OH, here also OH. This is unstable compound. Unstable, since 3 OH groups are attached to same carbon. Then immediately it loses a molecule of water. So H plus, here OH minus. This unstable product loses a molecule of water to form or C. So here double bond OH. So this is carboxylic acid. Trihalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons on heating with alcohols, aqueous, not alcohol, aqueous, potassium hydroxide, halogen atoms of trihalogen derivatives are replaced by 3OH groups. It is just like nucleophilic substitution reaction. So all the 3 halogen atoms are replaced by 3OH groups. And if 3 OH groups are attached to the same carbon, 2 or more OH groups are attached to the same carbon, such compounds are highly unstable. Immediately it loses a molecule of water. ನೋಡಿ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ to form carboxylic acid. To form carboxylic acids. This is the second method. Clear? For the first method from Grignard reagent. Second method from trihalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. Then another method by the hydrolysis of alkane nitriles. Third method from alkane nitriles. Alkane nitriles. Or CN or C triple bond N. It is subjected to hydrolysis to form RCOH. So here OH group attached to carbon and the hydrogen atom can form a bond with nitrogen. C double bond NH. So it undergoes tautomerization. In this case we get, so look here, bonding electrons comes over here to form RCONH2. To form RCONH2. Then this acid amide further hydrolysis. This compound is subjected to hydrolysis to give. So bond breaks occurs like this. Here one OH and H to form carboxylic acids and ammonia. Clear? So one alkane nitriles or in general cyanides, they are subjected to hydrolysis. The product obtained is it undergoes tautomerization to form acid amides. These acid amides are subjected to hydrolysis, giving carboxylic acids. Clear? So ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, thank you.